Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever time I upload a new video like this one that you are watching right now, you will be notified that I uploaded a new video. Okay, so in today's video I want to show you how you can turn your Facebook profile into a page. So how you are going to do this is, first, if you don't have a Facebook account, you go ahead and create a Facebook account, and when you created a Facebook account, you start adding friends. Okay, this Facebook profile into page, what I should be doing is to come here and click on my profile picture here. Okay, by the time I click on my profile picture, and it will be showing like this, as you can see here. Okay, the triple dot that you are seeing on your screen, triple dot, go ahead and click on this triple dot here. So by the time you click on this triple dot, okay, so this is it here. When you click on the triple dot, you can see turn on professional mode. Okay, turn on professional mode. You can see it down here. You see something like portfolio. Okay, you see turn on professional mode. So go ahead and click on turn on professional mode. So simple, guys. So now I'm going to be clicking on the turn on professional mode. Okay, so I click on the turn on professional mode, and look at what is showing me here. I say turn on professional mode. Add new tools to your profile so you can grow as a creator on Facebook. So simple. Get paid for your content if you are eligible. Unlock monetization tools to earn money by creating new content. See content inside. Here you will see the engagement, the number of views, people that you have reached. This is the meaning of this insert. Let more people follow you. Your profile's followers setting will be set to public, so anyone can see your public content in their feed. You can still share privately on friends. Okay, go ahead and click on turn on the blue button. Okay, so you turn it on, you can see automatically my Facebook profile have turned into a Facebook page. Okay, look at it. As you can see, this is a Facebook page. Okay, and this is the number of followers that I have. I have 1,302 followers. So if I want to get up to 5,000 followers within 2 days, now what I will be doing is that I will go back and turn it back to profile, and I start adding friends, and I'm going to be showing you that and see what will be happening now. Now you see we have 1,302. So let's go back and return back to our previous this thing. So I'm going to turn off the professional mode. It says successfully your profile now has professional mode. Okay, so I want it back to profile. So now I'm going to be turning it off. Okay, and turn it off back to professional mode. Remember we have 1,302. So I continue. So I have turned it off. It's back to profile. Okay, is back to profile. See, professional mode turned off successfully. So go ahead and close it. So I want to show you guys something here. I want to show you something right away. All right, so now you can see, let's add more friends. Let's see if it will add as a follower. Now we have friends that will be confirming. I confirm this guy. I have confirmed this guy here. Okay, so I want to confirm this guy friendship. So I will confirm this guy also. All right, so I'll just go ahead and add more people. As immediately you add people to this profile, automatically Facebook will start sharing your profile to the new members in Facebook. So they will start adding you up, and the more they add you, so this is how you add friends the more you add friends, and you get up to 5,000 friends. When you add more people, you find out that Facebook will start promoting your profile, sharing it and showing it to the people, especially the new members on Facebook. And by the time, let's go back now and turn this back to, let's turn it back to professional mode and see what will happen. So turn it back to professional mode and see if the number of our followers have increased or not. All right, so go ahead and click on the three dots like I showed you before. So turn it on, click turn on again. So as you can see, the number have not added, but that is how you will add people. I think if I refresh, it should be adding, or the people have confirmed their friendship. So when it is in this professional mode like this, any person that send you a friend request, it will automatically come as a follower. This is how the profile works, okay? And it's very easy to get to 5,000 to 10,000 followers. It's very, very simple. So what you should be doing is for you to be setting some certain things here. You can join group, you can add your website, try to customize this to look beautiful, okay? Try to customize this to look beautiful. This is things you should be adding here, okay? Review your profile details, okay? I will not be going there because of security reasons. Create a public post, okay? So as a first timer that you have turned your profile into page, you should create your first post on your page, okay? This is what you should do. And by the time you create a post, all right, so Facebook will start sharing your post. And make sure that you read the Facebook community standard so that you won't go against their rules, okay, so that your account will not be terminated or restricted. All right, so follow step by step like I told you, and you see you have your Facebook profile into page. I know that you already have 5,000 friends on your profile. Why not turn them into page right now and start making money for yourself, guys? So simple, right? So this is how so many people have turned their Facebook profile into Facebook page, and they start sharing content which they do not create, only writing on them, and you start making money for yourself. So guys, if you have found value in this video and this video have helped you, please, there is something you will do for me, is click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell, so that next time I will upload a new video like this one that you are watching, you will be notified that I have uploaded a new video. Okay guys, so thank you for watching guys. I will see you on my next video. Bye.